Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for something to spoil your cats with, then you should get this 72-inch cat tree from Hawsaiy. I am absolutely in love with this cat tree. I think it is so fun and cute. I love all of the different levels that it has on it and different areas for my cats to play. All the way up at the top, they have the puff balls with the bells on them. There's these fun textured cactus all over the cat tree. I love the setting sun that is on the top, and I really appreciate how it has so many scratching posts because my cats love to use scratching posts. I really appreciate how it has this extra little side leg, so if you have multiple cats, they have lots of space to play. It has a great little basket for them to lay in and relax, as well as a little cave at the bottom if your cats love to hide in small spaces. So we really love this cat tree. We think it is an absolutely perfect fit for our home, and my cats have really loved playing on this cat tree. So if you're looking for something like this to get for your fur babies, to really give them a fun place to get out their wiggles or even just relax, then you should definitely get this one. I think it's perfect. My cats love it too, and that is my point of view.